Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. My company's name is Torpedopot, and we make self-growing planters. You can probably see a couple of them behind you. And they grew our food for us. Well, what I mean by that is that they grew 1,400 tomatoes. Now, in springtime, they grew 15,000 pea pods. Now they grew in the same soil 1,400 tomatoes, and after that, we're probably going to plant kale and probably grow maybe 100 pounds of kale. Oh, and I'm growing about 50 pounds of celery also in the same planters. But I'm amazed at the 1,400 tomatoes. This has been a beautiful, beautiful, bountiful harvest. Unfortunately, the cold came in and we expected to do 3,000 minimum with the Siberian tomatoes in this region. They held on as much as they could, but I think it hit 50 degrees a couple of times. Didn't do well with them. So the best thing to do is to start harvesting your food and putting in another crop, either seeds or plants, whatever you want to do, so that you can grow some more food. 1,500 tomatoes. So what I did with these torpedo pots and how they grew these tomatoes is that I walked up to these planters and I literally just threw my seeds in there, and guess what? The seeds were like, they were like 10,000 seeds for like, I don't know, $20. And they freaked out and they started growing all this food. I threw in each torpedo pot maybe about 50 seeds, and then I realized it was too many, so I took them out and started planting them all over different torpedo pots. So literally, for less than a nickel, I grew 1,400 tomatoes. Torpedo pot grew 1,400 tomatoes for less than a nickel worth of seeds. Now, isn't that crazy? That is freaking crazy, dude. That's torpedo pot. It grows your food with no human intervention. Put your seeds in, put your plants in, and let it grow your food. Voila. And it grows it better than anything else in the world. Fine points, your family and you will have nutrition at your table 24 hours a day. Fresh, wholesome food. The age of the supermarket delivering produce is over. It's over. They're good for canned goods and staples and things like that, but you're going to have to learn to grow your own food. And Torpedo Pot is leaping far ahead to get you there. I tell my clients that I want you to search the internet, and I want you to find a picture like this on the internet where a person in their backyard grew 15,000 pea pods, 1,400 tomatoes, and about to grow so much other food, 3,000 peppers. We're just growing so much food all over the place. Follow us. And have them all be so healthy and so organic and so pure. Dude, there's nothing else in the world that can do that. Only Torpedo Pot. We're the fastest growing system in the world. If you don't know who we are, you need to find out who we are. We're no joke. Talk to you guys. Thank you so much for your time. My goal is to feed the world. I want to make all of you farmers because I need you to build my blockchain. My blockchain will be built off of all of you farmers storing your food in the network so you'll get the true worth of your goods and services. That's the power of the blockchain. Torpedo Pot. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.